Hey, it's Moko from Moko Apps here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Translate Pro to change sizes of your menu. So it's really important to us that the app looks really awesome on your app store, so it creates a great user experience for your customers. So we try to do a lot of stuff just to customize it, right? So that way you're able to do it. And one of the things we do is we can change the size of the text, right? So what we want to do is we often want to make the size of the text match this right here. So first, let me show you what you shouldn't do, and then I'll show you what you should do. So if you go into apps, you go into Translate Pro. If you don't have it, I'll include a link below, and you can get it at the Shopify App Store. And when you're in there, you can choose the different positions of it. But first thing I'm going to do is the font size. I'm going to put it to 140. And the reason I'm going to do that is I'm going to show you what you shouldn't do. And what you shouldn't do is have it that big. And the reason we allow you to do that is because each store is unique and we want to make it that it's as customizable to you as possible. So we leave it up to you to get the right store that matches in. So now if I tried it in at, let's say 16, it's still a little bit big. So I want it to actually match this size here, and I want it to I even match the font as well. Like I want the flow to go with it. And there's a few things you could do for that is color. So like for example, I made the background white and I made the text black because that goes best with this website. Your website's different, so you can go through here and figure out the colors that match best for your website. Next is font size. I'm going to try 14 next. And okay, so this size looks similar to this size. This looks bold, so I do want to change the font style as well. So I want to take a look in here and say, okay, let's try another font style. When I look in here, I see the G's are kind of like this. So let me go and look for something similar to that. No, could be this. Let's try this. Yeah, so that's similar in there. So I'd probably keep something like that as well. And that way it matches up nicely and kind of goes really well with your website. uh, as well. And the other thing to look at is also the menu size. So right now you see how it's spread out. You can always make it smaller as well. And you kind of do that with this. So right now it's 200. Let me make it 400. And you'll see what happens. You see how it comes out here? Now it's going to come out here. So let me try maybe 150 and see if that flows. So it's really important to give your users the best experience. We want to make it as simple as possible for them, and that's what we're trying to accomplish. So 150 is a little bit more bigger, but that's fine with it. So yeah. So if you look at this, now you've got the size, which matches the size on this, which is great. If you're using a different size, you want to match it up, that's fine too. You got to use what works best for your website on here. But in this video, I just wanted to show you how you can change the size. And there's one more thing I actually want to show you as well before we go. The flag size. So when you do change the size on it, the flag size should also match up with the font size. So if let's say I had a 17 flag size, it would be big. So what I want to do is I always want to match up the flag size to be the same as the font size. And if the flag size is the same as the font size, then you'll notice that's now the same size, right? So it works out very nice like that. Okay, so like and subscribe to this video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below, or you can always reach customer support. We're always more than happy to help you out. And if you don't have Translate Pro, download it. I'll leave a link or go to the link here and get it. Let us know if you have any more questions. Thank you very much.